Hi, Timothy Unker here, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to cover setting up the Conqueror of Completion plugin on Vim for Python. But first, if you like videos like this, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really helps the channel grow. Okay, let's get started. So this is just basically a new installation of Linux on a Chromebook here. If I go into Vim, it's just going to be, a basic version here. I don't have my Vim RC set up, but I do have version 8.2.2434. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to be able to use the built-in plugin system within Vim. Okay, so I'm going to get out of here and I'm going to make a directory, and I'll do a -p here. So I'm going to make a .vim folder. Inside that folder, I'm going to make a pack folder. Inside that folder, I'm going to create whatever folder you need or you want to name. So I'm just going to call it plugins. And then within that folder, I have to create a folder called start. Okay. Now I'm going to change into that directory. And I can just tab out because it's the only directories that are in each of those directories. All right, so now what I'm going to do is go to Google here and just type in COC Vim. Okay, I'm going to then click on the GitHub link and go here to the code. And I want it to be highlighting under HTTPS. I'm going to click on that to copy it. I'm going to bring back my terminal and I'm going to type Git Clone, and then with Control-Shift-V, I'm going to paste in that address and press enter. It's going to take just a moment. And we're almost there. Okay, and we're good. All right, so now I'm going to change back into my home directory, and I can do that with the CD and then this approximately symbol is what I call it. So anyways, I'm gonna go back to my home directory. Let's clear out this stuff. Now what I have to do is I have to install Node, because one of the dependencies of Conqueror of Completion is Node. So to do that, I'm going to type curl-sl https://deb.node-source.com/setup_. The version at the time of this recording is 17, the latest version. So you'll type in whatever version is the latest at the time you watch this. So I'm going to do 17.x, a space, a pipe there, and then sudo space dash uppercase E bash, and then a dash. Okay, I'm going to hit enter. And that's going to go ahead and then it'll prompt me to either just install Node or install Node with Yarn. I'm going to install Node with Yarn, and you will want to do that as well. Let me move this up. So you see here, to install the Yarn package manager, run this. I'm just going to copy this whole thing up to the start of the curl command. Do Control-Shift-C to copy. And then to paste it here, I'm going to do Control-Shift-V and hit enter. So it's good. So let's clear this out and just make sure we have those. So we'll do node-v, and you'll see we have Node version 17.3.0. I can do npm-v, and that'll take a moment. We've got 8.3.0, and I also want to do yarn-v, and that's just going to tell me that I have 1.22.17. Okay, let me move this back down. I'm going to change back into that plugins directory. So I'm going to cd.vim/pack/plugins/start, and then we want to go right into COC. And once we're in there, we want to run yarn install. Okay, so that's going to go ahead, and that's just going to take a moment to build the COC plugin. Okay, we've built what we need to get to get COC started. So I'm going to clear this out. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cd back into my home directory here, and I'm going to run vim. Okay, and you'll see that it's creating a directory, and I'm going to press enter. And now I'm going to run the command coc install. So it has to be a capital C at the start and a capital I, and then coc-pi write. Okay, that's the one I want. I'm going to hit enter. And that's going to go ahead and install Coc-Pyright. Okay, I'm going to quit out of there. And now I can quit out of here. And let's just create a test.py file. Let's go in there. Let's go into insert mode, and let's start typing. And you'll see that already we have this suggestion to have print, and then it tells you, well, I can enter in values. So you're going to enter in COC is installed, something like that. And it's giving me suggestions already. And now I can type other things like, oh, we have an if statement, if true, I don't know. It gives me those suggestions, and I can pick one. Sorry, I have to hit enter. If true, do something like print. Okay, I want to print that, and so on. So we've got COC set up for Python. It's just that easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really helps the channel grow. And I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.